When you have a challenging situation and you know the situation will come, and you may know you are not prepared the way you should be, but you know the challenging situation will come. There is something you can do. You go out into nature and you become aware of the emotion you need to solve the challenging situation the best way. You become aware of the challenging situation, and you also become aware of what emotions you need to solve the challenging situation. You do not need to think about it. Just become aware of the challenging situation and look around. And suddenly you will know within yourself what you need. Then you save this emotion you need within yourself. Breathe in the emotion. And you may realize there's a strength rising within you. Now you have another position towards your challenging situation. You are not anymore the victim. You are the person who has the strength to solve the circumstance. And then, when the challenging situation may arise in your normal life, you are prepared. You have your power from nature. You have your resources, and they will be there when you need them. Nature gives us so much support, and we most often are not aware of it. What a pity. Nature is there for free. Maybe that's why we do not care for it a lot. Become aware of the many ways nature can support you. Explore even more ways nature can support for yourself. Comment on this post and share your experiences. I'm looking forward to hear from you.